Hello there. I'm Grace from Minea, and in this session, I'll guide you through Pinterest ads filtering. Before we start, make sure you've seen our Facebook ads tutorial, as the features we'll discuss here are quite similar. Now, on the Pinterest ads tab, you can see all the ads currently running on Pinterest. The filter options are pretty much the same as Facebook ads. You can pick a specific date, media type, e-commerce platform, and language. The main difference from Facebook ads is the engagement filters. On Pinterest, engagement is measured by pins and saves, which you can filter right here. When searching for trending products, look for pins and saves with high engagement. These show products that have grabbed the audience's attention. Similar to Facebook, Pinterest allows you to set filters for your target audience based on age and gender. Plus, you can specifically filter for dropshipping products using our new feature is dropshipping. Finally, I want to emphasize that Pinterest is often overlooked, but it really shouldn't be. It's a hugely popular network in the US that allows you to run campaigns without spending too much on ads. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next session.